Alright, it's part 5. It's about a month ago we did part 4. Got cut off showing tracks. So here he is with everybody lined up. And let's see if we can get the rest of this unboxed. And I put the Dinobots and a few others on the shelf since the last video. Alright. What we got left? We got a third Optimus Prime. No rub sign. He looks a little not rough, but not in great shape. I don't have anything broke on any of these, or severely damaged, or anything of that nature. You know, the minis. Could do a video alone on those. Did recently find a Sea Spray Deluxe Walmart. Probably about a week after that last video. One of those should be Bumble Jumper or Hubcap. Let's see. I don't remember if I have Bumble Jumper. That's a rare one. If I got 3, yes I should. One of those should be him. And then we got, these were, I had to wait a while to get the remakes or the modern version of these Power Dashers, if I remember that correct. And they were Generation Select. Here's one I had to buy loose that was in a 2 or 3 pack. So yeah, there's the Power Dashers. Come in those boxes. I'll get the loose one. Oregon, if I remember correctly. Guess that would be him. Tank Treads. Yeah. I'm going to do a video with all the modern ones out. Let's get these unboxed. That's a nice one. Jetfire. He yellowed on me. When I originally collected him, he was so nice and white. And he sat out of the sun and still yellowed. That's so weird. So I had him completed in early 2000s. Why is he back heavy? And he wasn't yellow at all. Weird, he decided to yellow after that. There's a wheeljack in great shape. I have everything for him, even the gun clip, which probably shouldn't be on there. That little black clip is the rarest thing for him. Wind Charger, we're getting one of him in the Studio Series Deluxe class. Here, first of the year, I believe. Alright, now we're finally down to the combiners, the bigger figures. Metroplex parts. Defensor. Superior. Bruticus. Parts and missiles for Metroplex. The most expensive piece of plastic I ever bought. Yes, I have the original small gun for the Metroplex. Scramper, I think was his name. Scamper or something like that. I gave $25 for that gun 20 years ago. I don't know what it'd be worth now. 100. Metroplex ain't worth nothing hardly without that gun. So they say. So many of them. Check these bags for small missiles. Oh, why I had them loose. Minosaur. Some Seekers. Oh, this is original. Original stickers. Those are peeling. Let's go. Oh, little short missiles. Those are hard to get to. What does it click? I shouldn't leave them. Don't leave missiles stored in spring-loaded guns. It wears the springs out. I did that on a few. The Dirge. Starscream. Wing stuck up. Thrust. Ramjet. Yeah. For years I thought I was missing the landing gear. I forgot I stored it in the cockpits. Metroplex. That's a Megatron in there. I was wondering where that was. Metroplex is in really nice shape. Chrome's like immaculate. And it's the chrome rubber tires version. There's a couple different versions of that figure. Still original. Yeah, Devastator at the very bottom. Probably gonna fall apart on me. It's the flimsiest figure ever. Speaking of spring-loaded items, it's hard not to store those in there if you want them in combined mode. So all original with some repro labels on them. They go by Toy Hacks nowadays. I don't even get on that website no more. There's so many options. I got carried away with putting stickers on these. They had some nice kits, especially for that Trax. Yeah. Alright, last one. Cool. Can finish these videos. I'll come back sometime in the year when I have all the display finished. Yeah. I need to finish a foam insert for this, where it'll fit in individual spots. Original 1984 pre-rub Megatron. Chrome's in good shape. Gray's a little yellowed. See that right there? Yes, sir. Nice figure. It's been a while. What did I find recently? I think I shared it on the last video. I found that thrust at Target, the Earthrise. Maybe I was mentioning I needed them on the last video. Either way, there he is. So, I had a couple different updated versions of the Seekers. With these guys, Earthrise. Got the Siege versions up there, where they turn into the triangle-shaped Cybertron ships. And Generations versions up there. Another 3.